Hey y'all, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Welcome back to my grand entrance. If we're being honest, it doesn't look grand yet, but I promise that by the end of this video, it will. Last time you saw this hallway, I was installing LVP floors and painting. Now it's time for me to put the finishing touches on this area. I have a few small projects left to finish up around the house. It's been 2 long years and I'm finally getting to the point where we can wrap up the renovation and start moving on to the fun stuff like decorating my home. This plain, boring door blocked the view from the balcony and made the hallway feel dark. Now that I've replaced it with a glass door, it's much lighter in my hallway and we can see what's going on in the streets. I can't stand people who don't know what they want to do for their birthday, and every year, my mom is that person. I'm not going to give her too much because I wouldn't be able to do this renovation without her, so when she came to me at the last minute and said she wanted a birthday photo shoot, I had to do whatever it takes to make it happen. My entryway was going to make the perfect backdrop, but I needed to put the crystals on my chandelier to really bring in the drama. The chandelier had been hanging up in the hallway naked for like a year and a half because I didn't want the crystals to get dirty or damaged while I was sanding and working on other areas of the house. The renovation is damn near done, so I don't have to worry about that anymore. Plus, it's a special occasion, so this is the perfect time to put the crystals on my chandelier. This moment is actually one of the highlights of my entire renovation project. I'm a real glitz and glam, glitter and rhinestone type of girl. After months and months of living in a construction zone, I couldn't believe that the time had actually come for me to see a big, pretty ass chandelier hanging up in my hallway. It didn't even feel real. After I finished with the chandelier, I put up some string lights and some balloons to help set the scene for the birthday vibe. The hallway looked gorgeous, and so did the birthday girl. Alright, we're done partying, so now it's back to business. I need to paint the other side of the stair railing. We just jumped from the front of the house to the end of the hallway, but I needed to paint these bedroom doors real quick. I told y'all we were going to put finishing touches on this hallway, so we're going to bounce around a little bit as I get some of these things done before I give you the final reveal of my grand entrance. One thing about it, painting doors black is not for the faint at heart because that first coat is going to look horrible. The second or third coat really brings it together, but that first coat is going to humble you. I just wanted to keep it real and give y'all a heads up about that because the first time it scared the shit out of me. I haven't painted this side of the door yet, but I'll come back around to it later. First, I wanted to go ahead and swap out these white light switches for some black ones. The black switches are going to blend in with everything else I have going on around the house much better than the white ones would. Plus, I'm kind of weird about germs. I don't know who was in here before me or what they were doing, and light switches are one of those things that you touch all the time, just like door handles. So for my own peace of mind, I'm going to switch them out. The hallway looks so good, I don't even know what to do with myself. But I couldn't help but notice these door hinges. The previous owners gave it the manager special and just painted all over them, and that's not gonna work for me. Since this is a grand entrance, I thought a hint of gold peeking out from between the black door frames and black doors would add a touch of luxury. I want it to feel expensive in here. My new gold hinges were a small detail, but they made a huge difference. I finally have my grand entrance. Thank you for joining me today. This is just a quick reminder of how it looked when we started.